Ever turned on your Chevy Colorado and nothing? No lights, no info, just darkness. Here's what you need to know before you stress out. First, check if your dimmer switch is turned all the way down. It sounds simple, but it's a common fix. If that's not it, your display might have lost power. A blown fuse is often the culprit. Look in your owner's manual to find the dashboard fuse, then check if it's burned out. If it is, replace it with the same type. Still not working? It could be a loose wire behind the display, or a bigger electrical issue. Sometimes the display itself just fails and needs to be replaced. But before you head to the mechanic, try restarting your truck. Sometimes the system just needs a reset. If nothing helps, call a certified technician. Electrical problems can get worse, so it's best to fix them early. To sum up, start simple, check fuses, and don't ignore the problem. Drive safe, and keep your eyes on the road. And your dashboard, lights on. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tips.